Just for comparison, here I have an even cheaper 936 system. I only modified it with an extra LED to see if it's powered on. So now I powered it on, and you see the left LED that is telling that is heating. Okay, it takes a while longer because it is, I think it's 40 watts or maybe 50 watts, but it's, at least it's using a transformer for it. So soon it will be on temperature. So the left LED is heating. You see it's now on temperature and is doing a very slow blinking. But when I put it in the water, okay, it will take a little while because in this system the sensor is not totally in the tip but a little further, and it has a real mass. So it will it solders also better with that. Of course it is a bad tip, so I don't. And you immediately see it that it starts blinking and almost continuously turning on the heat. Back again, the battery died in the camera, so sorry. Okay, so now you see it's blinking slowly because it's on temperature, and when I put the iron, it is of course an old iron, otherwise I wouldn't put it in water because it's damming it. 3, 2, 1. It takes a little while, and then you already see the heating LED starting to blink a lot longer and heating. So it reacts. Of course it can't heat that much that it will keep on temperature, but it will be going on again, and it will be soon be the same temperature again. So of course this had more mass, but it is heating and it's already about on temperature almost. As you see, it slows down in blinking instead of this rapid blinking or the other one. So this is really sensing temperature changes and reacting with it. Not as fast as some, for example, the T12s. They work faster, but they have even less mass, and of course tips are more expensive than these ones, but these are better for many things, I think already.
Voor meer video's over 3D printen en de gerelateerde onderwerpen zoals het slijpen, milling, alle CNC en dergelijke, ga naar www.patreon.com/elvinhaak. En hier zijn meer van mijn video's te vinden dan op YouTube, minder beperkingen en vaak ook maanden eerder ter beschikking voor de wat langere series. Ook zijn hier diverse gerelateerde downloads beschikbaar die bij de video's horen. Je kan ook kijken op Facebook, 3D Printer Beginners Nederland, Nix Reality wel aan het Octoprint, etc. Dat is een aparte pagina. Mijn homepage is www.elfiets.nl/3dprint, YouTube @el3dprint. En als je deze video's interessant en of leuk vindt, klik je op het duimpje en abonneer je of volg om de hoogte gehouden te worden. Je kan altijd nog vragen stellen via de Facebookpagina of dus aan de onderkant van deze video's. Tot de volgende video.